Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Quickly in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a multifunctional hairspray with just 2 ingredients. As simply as this hairspray is, it can actually help to deodorize the hair. It also helps to exfoliate the scalp of the hair. That is why the concentration has to be on your scalp and not on the strands of your hair. This hairspray will primarily help to exfoliate the scalp of your hair, which will promote blood circulation, hence promoting hair growth. It will also help to prevent hair breakage, which will actually promote a fuller and thicker hair. Aside all of this hairspray can actually help to prevent dandruff or to treat already existing dandruff. It can also help to reduce itchy scalp and a whole lot. So you see why this very simple recipe is, although very simple, but yet super helpful. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Primeside. On this channel, I share helpful tips, safe and natural recipes for skincare and hair care. If you're here to subscribe, please help me do so, and thank you so much. So for this quick recipe, I'm just going to have my water measured out. Here I'm having 250 grams. If this is just for personal use, you can use your trusted tap water, but you have to use it all for around 1 week. But if this is not for personal use, please ensure to use distilled water or use any plant hydrosol of your choice. Here I am using aloe vera hydrosol, which makes a very beautiful choice for a hair recipe. Aloe vera hydrosol is packed with lots of antioxidants for the hair. It contains essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and E, which actually helps to promote cell turnover and of course promotes hair growth. Secondly, I'm going to be adding shikimic acid powder. Although this ingredient it's not so common, but it's actually with the AHA family and happens to be more effective than glycolic acid 15 times when it comes to exfoliating, with of course lesser irritation. Shikimic acid has been found to be a very beautiful ingredient for hair growth. It helps to exfoliate the scalp, promotes blood circulation, and help to promote hair growth. It has also found to have antibacterial and antifungal properties, which makes it able to take care of infections like dandruffs and even psoriasis. One more reason I love shikimic acid for hair is the fact that it acts as a deodorizer. It means it helps to reduce the odor of the hair, or rather it helps the hair not to smell. Truthfully, this is a tested and trusted recipe. I have used it and I have seen a lot of improvement in my hair. Just these 2 ingredients, as simple as it is so helpful and effective. Make sure that the pH is around 5 so that the shikimic acid can be very effective. Also, if this is for commercial use, you can go ahead to add 1% of your preservative to it to help to improve the shelf life of this product. Germal Plus is fine. This can be used daily or twice a day. This is most helpful for the type 3 and type 4 hair types and not for all hair types. Alright, this is also not for a relaxed hair. If you use this for relaxed hair, it may smell. It is also suitable for kids 5 years and above, and even if you have a very sensitive scalp, you can also use this. Note that the aloe vera hydrosol can be substituted with any other hydrosol or with water. For the 2 ingredients used, shikimic acid and every other type of your hydrosol, you can shop them from us. You can check the description box for links. Applying this is quite easier when you have a protective styling like this, but if you have cornrows, you can also use this since the target is your scalp. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. If you're going to give this a try, also let me know in the comment section. And if you've used this and it's helpful, please let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. More amazing recipes are upcoming, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. For now, take care and bye.